So folks, today's video is going to actually be tomorrow. Tomorrow's video, Carolyn is going to be in an open collaboration with Debbie's Kitchen. It's a Valentine dessert. You put it up tomorrow. So you've got time today if you would like to join this collaboration. It's an open collaboration. It's just a Valentine's Day dessert, and more than welcome to join. Just make sure you tag Debbie where she knows to add you into the playlist there. And anything else, Shug?
Nope. Debbie's Kitchen.
Debbie's Kitchen. Alrighty. And Carolyn just reminded me, we'll be sure to have Debbie's channel in the description, and you can go to it and see what you need to do. But like I said, she's having an open collaboration. Carolyn tomorrow, she'll be having her video up tomorrow. So folks, I hope y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, you'll have a great day today. We'll see you tomorrow.